Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic power tools. Tools that not only help you achieve your project goals, but also prioritize your comfort and efficiency while working. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or someone just starting out, having the right tools can make a world of difference. We'll explore 7 top-of-the-line ergonomic power tools that combine innovative design with enhanced usability. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Dewalt 20 VMAX Power Tool Combo Kit. The Dewalt 20 VMAX Power Tool Combo Kit is a formidable selection for anyone seeking versatility and reliability in a power tool package. This kit features a drill/driver, impact driver, and reciprocating saw, all designed with ergonomics in mind. The tools are lightweight yet powerful, ensuring you can work for prolonged periods without experiencing undue strain. Each tool comes equipped with an anti-slip grip, allowing for better control and precision during use. Quality is evident in every aspect of the Dewalt kit. The durable construction is built to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining peak performance. The 20V batteries provide excellent runtime, allowing you to tackle multiple projects without frequent recharging. This power combo excels in usability, featuring intuitive controls that cater to both novice and experienced users. The impact driver's compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces, while the reciprocating saw's variable speed settings provide optimal control for various materials. In terms of effectiveness, this combo kit has received praise for its consistent performance and innovative features like the LED work light, which ensures visibility in dimly lit work areas.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Skil 5 Random Orbital Sander. Next up is the Skil 5 Random Orbital Sander, a brilliant choice for those who crave smooth finishes in woodworking projects. This sander stands out with its ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended sanding sessions. The lightweight construction is a significant advantage, making portability easy without compromising power. Quality is a hallmark of the Skil brand, and this sander is no exception. It features a high-performance motor that operates quietly while delivering a consistent sanding speed. The swirl-free sanding mechanism ensures a professional finish, eliminating any risk of swirl marks. Usability is enhanced by the tool-less sanding disc change, allowing you to readjust the sandpaper quickly. Durability is another strong suit. This sander is built to withstand rigorous use without degrading in performance. The dust collection system efficiently captures dust, keeping your workspace clean and your visibility optimal. Plus, with variable speed settings, you'll have complete control over the sanding process, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces and finishes. Number 3. Wen 6010 6-inch Waxer/Polisher. At number 3, we have the Wen 6010 6-inch Waxer/Polisher, a fantastic tool for those who see their vehicles as an extension of their personality. This polisher features an ergonomic handle that allows for comfortable maneuverability, so you can polish and wax without the worry of strain on your hands or wrists. The lightweight design makes it a breeze to use for extended periods as you rejuvenate your vehicle's finish. Quality craftsmanship is evident, with a powerful Tenna motor capable of delivering up to 3,500 RPM. The adjustable speed settings enable you to tackle various surfaces, from car paint to hardwood flooring, thus establishing its versatility. The 6-inch pad is large enough to cover a broad area while remaining manageable, and the included foam pads make it easy to achieve that mirror-like shine you're striving for. One standout feature is the low-profile design of the waxing spindle, which allows for greater control and precision. This tool is durable, built to withstand not just the rigors of personal use but also the demands of professional applications. Number 4. Hammerhead Oscillating Multi-Tool. Coming in at number 4 is the Hammerhead Oscillating Multi-Tool, an exemplary tool that brings versatility to your project toolkit. With its easy-to-hold design, you can efficiently handle various tasks, ranging from cutting to sanding with minimal effort. The lightweight nature of this tool allows for prolonged use without straining your hands, thereby making your projects more enjoyable. Quality is guaranteed with Hammerhead's commitment to producing reliable tools. This oscillating tool is equipped with a robust motor that delivers consistent performance across various materials, offering speed settings to cater to multiple applications. The quick change accessory system enables you to swap out blades and attachments in seconds, thereby enhancing usability, especially when moving from one task to another. With multifunction capabilities, the Hammerhead Oscillating Multi-Tool stands out in its versatility, enabling you to cut, grind, and scrape with ease. Its low-vibration design helps you maintain control and precision, which can be critical for detailed work. Number 5. Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit. At number 5, we have the Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit, an essential tool for woodworkers and hobbyists alike. This tool is designed with an ergonomic grip that minimizes hand fatigue while providing exceptional stability during nailing. The lightweight design adds to the comfort factor, making it easier for you to perform repetitive tasks without discomfort. Metabo HPT doesn't compromise on quality, and this Brad nailer embodies that ethos. With a powerful motor, it drives 18-gauge nails at high speed, ensuring efficient and professional quality finishes. Usability is taken up a notch with the tool-free depth adjustment feature, allowing you to set the nail depth easily based on the material you're working with. Durability is also critical. This Brad nailer is made from robust materials designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. It features a clear nail indicator to prevent embarrassing misfires and allows you to know when you're running low on nails. Number 6. Dremel 4300-5/40 Rotary Tool Kit. Next is the Dremel 4300-5/40 Rotary Tool Kit, a go-to solution for hobbyists and professionals pursuing precision in their work. This rotary tool features an ergonomic body design that fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to work on intricate projects without strain. The lightweight build adds to its user-friendliness, enabling you to maneuver with brilliance. Quality and versatility are the cornerstones of the Dremel 4300 kit. Equipped with a powerful motor, it features variable speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, catering to various materials and tasks. The rich array of attachments allows for sanding, grinding, and polishing, effectively making the Dremel 4300 one of the most adaptable tools on the market. The tool's durability is backed by a robust construction that can handle continuous use without performance degradation. Dremel also integrates an easy-to-change accessory system, letting you switch attachments quickly without the need for extra tools. Number 7. Bosch Variable Speed Palm Router. Finally, we arrive at the Bosch Variable Speed Palm Router, a tool designed for those seeking precision in woodworking. Featuring a compact ergonomic design, the router fits snugly in your palm, allowing for enhanced control during intricate routing tasks. The lightweight design ensures you're comfortable while working for extended durations, making your project a breeze. Quality is synonymous with Bosch, and this router is no exception. The powerful motor delivers 15,000 to 35,000 RPM, allowing you to work with various materials with ease. Usability is heightened by the soft grip handle, ensuring you have a secure and comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during your routing tasks. The user-friendly adjustments allow for quick and easy depth modifications, making it adaptable to different applications. The durability of the Bosch Variable Speed Palm Router promises years of reliable service, built to withstand the rigors of daily use. And there you have it, our roundup of the 7 best ergonomic power tools designed for comfort and efficiency. Investing in these tools not only improves your workflow, but also enhances your overall experience, reducing strain and boosting productivity. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite ergonomic tool. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.